Hello, I'm Ananksha and welcome to my channel. Today I'm at a very special place, and if you can guess where I am, maybe you would know why I'm so happy. But before I tell you, let me show you around and you can take a look and see how it is. This is Comic Con Hyderabad, and somehow I am inside a store and I have this exhibitor bracelet on. So, how did this happen? Very interesting story. Let's do a quick recap. So, last year around this time, I published my book of poems, Taming Infinity. If you're not aware of this is a collection of love poems told simply through verses. And the publisher of this book was Ukiyoto.com, and since then, since the last time, I've had a really nice relationship with these publishers. And I recently got an email by the publishers that they are at Comic Con Hyderabad and they're looking for authors to showcase their books. Sadly I read the email too late. I read it like 5 days ago. There was no time to print like 20 copies of my book and have them up for display here. So I thought I might as well ask them if they need me for any help or anything else that's going on. And that's when they told me that they are looking for somebody to help them with the store, setting up as a volunteer basically, and they also have some press coverage coming on. So I thought, yeah, why not? This seems like a great opportunity. Let me try it at least, because I've never been to a Comic Con before and I don't think I'll ever get the chance again to be an exhibitor at a Comic Con. So I thought, why not? Let's do it. This seems like an interesting opportunity, and here I am. And let me show you around the Ukiyoto store. This is the main entrance of the Comic Con exhibition hall, and this is the store for Ukiyoto Publishing. As you can see, we have some interesting offers going on, and there are some really cool merch, a lot of Phantom stickers. I remember my dad was a huge fan of Phantom. If he was here, he would have loved it. Beautiful t-shirts, so many different books, and we have a discount of 1000, flat 1000 on all Marvel comics. A lot of interesting stuff here. So if someone is a comic or a book lover, there is so many things to look at and marvel at the Ukiyoto Publishing store at Comic Con Hyderabad. So here I am as a special guest at the Ukiyoto Publishing store at Comic Con Hyderabad, and the crowd is just getting started. It's almost 11:30 now, so I can see a lot of people coming in, looking around. This is a very interesting experience for me because this is literally the first time in my life where I am at the other end of a store like this, in an event like this, and to be honest, it's a little bit intimidating. This is how the view is from the other side of the store, and people are coming in, looking at stuff. I have to have my social butterfly mode on, tell people hi and ask them if they're looking for something. It's pretty interesting, pretty intimidating, but I'm having fun, and let me take you along this day as I have new adventures at Comic Con Hyderabad 2024. As a writer, the most fun part for me is that my book is also on display. So let me show you. Beautiful Ukiyoto store, and Taming Infinity is right here on display among all the other books. And there is also an offer going on, 10% off. Pretty exciting times. The stores near me are also quite fascinating. Like, I mostly see merch. I think that's what Comic Con is for. Mostly merch and cosplaying and collecting some cool collectibles for yourself. I don't see the huge crowd for buying books at this location, but maybe I'm wrong. I would love to be proved wrong, of course. The main reason why I was so excited to come here was because I've never been to a Comic Con before. If you've been following my journey, you might know that I'm from Assam. I grew up in Jorhat, small town in Assam, and for me, uh, and I remember a few years back when I was in college, a friend of mine from Bangalore told me he went to Comic Con. For someone like me who's never heard of it, I was like, okay, that sounds interesting. People cosplaying, people dressing up as your favorite characters, a lot of places to buy cool stuff and merch. I was like, yeah, this sounds very exciting, but for me, I thought this is something I would never have or never get to experience in my life because since I was working in Silchar, I thought maybe that's where I would live all my life. But now I'm in Hyderabad and I'm in a city that's so full of opportunities for creatives. And I'm really grateful that I got this chance to be here to see Comic Con from the other side, from the side of an exhibitor. And it is pretty fascinating. Also, a little bit scary, but yeah. So now I'm taking a walk around the entire Comic Con, and like I mentioned, mostly what we would see is merch rather than books. And today it's the first day, so we see a lot of students, but we do not see a lot of parents, and that's what a lot of the shop owners or the exhibitors were talking about. How that the purchasing power of the crowd today is a little bit low because it's mostly the young crowd. The parents are expected to arrive tomorrow and day after tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. So that's when mostly sales are gonna happen. That's what the expectation is. But it is still pretty fun to look around and do some people watching, do some store watching. It's fun. I'm getting the feeling as if I'm not in Hyderabad but in some other place because this feels so alien to me. I do see a few people cosplaying, but I don't see a lot of them to take pictures. But yeah, I'm very excited to see what else the day has in store. This is the stage area for Comic Con 2024, and we can already see like nice preparations are being made. It's a beautiful sunny day, but luckily we have some shade here, and indoors it's air conditioned, so it looks fine. Everyone seems to be all set to having a good time. There's another door there. Let's take a look at what is inside that door. This appears to be another hall, another exhibition hall. A lot of cool stuff going on. Let's take a look what is going on here. This appears to be more of a gaming area, tech place, and there are some people engaged in some activities there. It's called DreamHack. I don't know what it is, but people seem to be very absorbed in doing some activity. Oh, it's supposed to start in 9 minutes. Probably a gaming competition. Chess. Some chess competition is going on here. Very interesting. Oh, there's a racing zone there. So when my friend from Bangalore told me about Comic Con, I thought maybe it's a place where people just dress up and come as their favorite characters. This seems like a full-on, full-blown exhibition. So many partners, so many stores, and this is such an interesting experience.
For all the participants. Alright, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, especially all the viewers around the planet.
my experience so far, there are a lot of people who come to Comic Con. It seems that people mostly come here to browse, to have a look around. But the majority of people I notice here are gamers. They have either come here to game at the PS station, or they have come here to meet the gaming content creators who apparently are delegates here. So yeah, that was my learning at this year's Comic Con Hyderabad 2024. Pretty interesting experience, but yeah, for me it was a very unique experience because I don't think I would ever get to come to a Comic Con, sit at an exhibitor booth, talk to people, try to sell them some books if it were not for this particular experience. So I would love to thank my publisher Ukyoto for inviting me to this Comic Con, for giving me a free entry to this 3-day event, and for hosting me here. I had a really great time, and I definitely hope to be back again whenever Ukyoto is again at Hyderabad Comic Con.
Don't leave. Come to stay.
So that is all for this vlog. I hope you had fun attending Hyderabad Comic Con 2024 with me. Don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can also have a look and know what happens inside a Comic Con. Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comments because your kind words are what keep me going. So yes, I'll see you again soon with another new video. Until then, stay awesome and keep smiling. Cheers!